Listen up, welcome back, Barley Lad. We're having a chicken sandwich. No, we're not. We've got some chicken tenders on the firm. Get in there, right? Order some bread, loads of butter. Don't die, so we'll spread it. Yeah, get involved. Not the best spread. Hold with me. Hang on, hang on. We good? We good? You got it? You got it? This is terrible spreading, by the way. Right, look at that. Oh my days. Right, now go on the next one. Get your chicken. Get this. Oh my god. Hot sauce. And let's get involved, yeah? Chicken tender, loads of butter, white bread, hot sauce. That is a banger. So, get yourself chicken tenders, white bread, loads of butter, chilli sauce.
Where are we? Where are we?
Oh, the pavilion. No bash. Get involved. Cheers. Ping.